So here now at the Lebak Fan Terminal going to Cotabato City. It's freaking raining all day because of the tropical depression. So I have to improvise. But the good thing is I got a free ride from my friend's house to here, Fan Terminal in Lebak. Cotabato City, and I'm actually inside the compound of the person that I am staying here with, my host for my stay here in Cotabato City. And I knew this guy through a mutual friend. We both know a similar friend, and that friend of mine, actually, she's really not my friend. I just knew her at the bar in Lebak. Told her about my journey, and then so fast forward, she introduces me to this guy, and then I contacted him and talked for a bit, and then made some arrangement, and luckily he offers me his place. So yeah, very cool, very kind, and I'm actually going inside the house now, waiting for him to go out so I could meet him. So bye. Hello! So guys, muna si RB. Nag-meet na sa may Jollibee, di ba? Cotabato City. So, then, i-share ako sa iya ang journey, and he was fascinated by it and keen and interested siya to join. Hi! So I'm back here now at my host place, and I had a really good night and a good day as well. Yeah, I entered the Grand Mosque. I get a chance to see what's inside and see the people praying, and I also get a chance to talk to the imam. It's like a pastor for Christians, like a priest or something there. We had a really good chat, and yeah, it was really great experience for me. As much as I wanted to do the prayers and to experience how everything's done, like, you know, but apparently I cannot do it because I have to, like, you know, to undergo some rituals, or like, how to say it, a proper way before, a proper like ceremony or something before actually doing the actual prayer. And yeah, it was fantastic night. I met a guy like me on the Jollibee accidentally, and then yeah, we had a good chat, and I shared about my journey, and then he was really fascinated by it and wanted to experience the thrill. So yeah, he offered himself to join me, and he offered me a ride to Malabang, and yeah, I forgot the name of the place. Yeah, and that would save me like kilometers of walking and days of walking towards Lanao del Norte. And yeah. So see you on my next videos, my next ventures, and please keep and stay tuned. Thank you and good night. Bye.